Hi everyone! Today we're going to read Incredible Animal Life Cycles. Life Cycle of a Ladybug. This book is written by Karen Latchana Kenney. That's the author and they write the words. Let's find out what the life cycle of a ladybug is. This is a table of contents. It tells you what the different things that we're going to talk about in the book and what page number it's on. Chapter 1. Ladybug Larva. Shiny yellow ovals sit in a row. That means it's in lines. What are they? Do you know what these shiny yellow ovals are? They're ladybug eggs. They are safe under a leaf, but they are starting to change. The eggs get darker, then something moves inside each one. Watch! These ladybug eggs are about to hatch. That means they're almost opening. The eggs split. Out pop the larva. This is just one step in each ladybug's amazing life cycle. This is a ladybug larva. Do you see how it's yellow and shiny, and then it gets darker and darker, and then poof, out comes a ladybug larva out of the hole. The larvae don't look like ladybugs at all. Does this look like a ladybug to you? Not to me. They have long, spiky bodies and 6 legs. Yet all ladybug larvae have one important task. They are hungry and they need to eat. Did you know not all ladybug larvae are black? The Australian ladybird is fuzzy and white. Ladybird is another name for ladybug. The ladybug larva eats aphids, spider mites, and scale bugs. The larvae eat and eat and eat, and they need the energy to grow. Did you know farmers and gardeners love ladybugs? Why? Because ladybugs help them out. They eat the bugs that kill plants. So aphids and spider mites and scale bugs, they damage your plants like vegetables and fruits and flowers. So the ladybug larva helps by eating all of these up. Chapter 2. Molting into a pupa. A larva keeps growing for the next few weeks, but its skin doesn't stretch. They get bigger. To get bigger, it needs to molt. It attaches its abdomen, that's kind of like its belly, to a leaf. Then its skin begins to split. That means it breaks apart. It wriggles out from inside. The larva is bigger and light in color. Its color eventually darkens and its skin hardens. Just like how when you wear clothes that get too small, it feels really tight and uncomfortable. When the ladybug larva gets too big for its skin, it takes it off and grows a new skin. As humans, we don't molt. We just change our clothes when they get too small. After 3 molts, the larva is ready for a bigger change. It attaches its abdomen to a leaf or a stem. Then it splits its skin one last time. Now it's a pupa. Do you see how it attaches its abdomen to this long green leaf? And then it pushes off all of the old skin. It molts one more time. And then out of the molted skin is the pupa. Does this look like a ladybug yet? No. The pupa hunches over into a little mound. It will stay like this for about a week. That means 1 week or 7 days. The pupa does not eat or move much. Under its skin, the adult ladybug forms. Does this look like a ladybug now? A little bit. It has spots and it's kind of reddish orange color. The pupa, did you know that the pupa can move if it senses danger? So it can feel it. It has a sense and it shakes its body to scare off predators. So even though it doesn't eat or have to move around much, when the pupa feels there's something dangerous coming, like a bird or an animal that wants to eat it, it will move around and scare them away. Chapter 3, Ready to Fly. The adult ladybug is about to break free. It has changed a lot inside the pupa. It pushes its way out and rests right by its old body. It is missing its spots, but they'll appear soon. Does this look like a ladybug? Not yet. You see how now it's molting out of, or is coming out of the pupa. This is the pupa, and this is the new adult ladybug. Does this look like the ladybug we saw at the beginning? No, not yet. It's yellow, and it has no spots yet. First, the new adult needs to let its body dry. Kind of like after you take a bath. You have to let your body dry. Its elytra makes a hard case for its body. This is called an elytra. They protect papery wings underneath. This is their wings. And they hide them underneath the elytra. Soon the ladybug will take flight. In late summer, the adults eat for a few weeks, but they need to find a place to hibernate. That means they take a nap. They gather together in large groups. There might be hundreds or thousands of them. They keep each other warm. This is how they survive the cold winter. Do you see how they're all bundled together into one group? That is a lot of ladybugs. How many do you see? Take a look. Each ladybug goes through a life cycle. It has 4 stages. The first stage is an egg. Around 4 days after it is laid, the egg hatches. The second stage is the larva stage. The larva grows and molts 3 times. This stage takes about 2 to 3 weeks. The third stage is the pupa. The fourth molt turns the larva into a pupa. And the fourth stage is the adult stage. After about a week, that's 7 days, the adult hatches. Adults live 1 to 3 years. Can you believe that? They can be up to 3 years old before they die. In the spring, ladybugs mate. A female lays her eggs on a leaf in an area where there is plenty of food. The ladybug life cycle continues. So in the spring, the ladybugs produce more eggs, and from the eggs come out what? Yeah, the ladybug larva. And then the ladybug larva turns into what? The pupa. And after the pupa, what happens? It comes out the adult ladybug. You got it. And there's an activity. You can make your own origami wings. So check that out and try it. Until next time.